Good morning, travelers, and we're here still in Ho Chi Minh City. It's our first day today, so we're gonna need to eat first and get ourselves ready for today because we're gonna be doing a lot of walking today. It's gonna be a city tour day, and we need to get some energy, so we're gonna have some pho first right now. We're on our way sa Ben Thanh Market para magpapalit ng dollars to dong so we can pay the entrance fees sa museum. So goal for today is to visit the museums. Yes, and then tomorrow maybe visit Cuchitanos. By the way, if you're new here in my channel, my name is Ian. I'm a travel blogger, photographer, and digital nomad. I travel around Southeast Asia and the Philippines to find the best ways on how you can travel cheap. So if you like traveling and you're always on a budget, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification icon so that you're always updated every time I upload a video. So again, we're here in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City with my dad. And okay, pagod na ako, medyo malayo na yung nilalakad. We're staying in Bui Vien. It's about 1 kilometer away from Ben Thanh, where we are gonna be having our money exchange. So walking here sa So we're here now at Ben Thanh Market. This is one of the main tourist traps here in Ho Chi Minh. Alright, so that was Ben Thanh Market. We just walked through the market because we don't intend to buy anything. We're walking to the Opera House, and this is, by the way, this is Saigon Square. Yan, yung mga gustong mamili ng mga branded items, you can buy here in Saigon Square. Oh yeah, the Saigon Square. Saigon Square. Yeah, that's where you buy. So, okay. So we're about like 500 meters from the Opera House, and then we're gonna go sa Independence Palace and Hello, Saigon Center.
And it's nice to see they have sausage here.
So this is the People's Committee building, better known as the Ho Chi Minh City Hall. Well, it's a city hall and People's Committee building, pero wala naman nakakapasok dyan, bes. So, picture na lang kami. Ayan. Alright guys, our next destination is the Notre Dame Cathedral and the Saigon Post Office. Alright, we're stopping because merong stoplight, and this is one of the very few places here in Saigon na merong stoplight. So, kaya ayun, medyo mainit. Okay, I know you've heard this a lot of times, pero I'm gonna say it anyway. The Ho Chi Minh Post Office was built or designed by the same person that designed the Eiffel Tower, which is Gustave Eiffel or Eiffel. I don't know how the French pronounces it, but yeah, it's the same person. And what I like about here in Saigon is that the streets are all lined up with trees, so medyo bearable na maglakad. Alright, so we're approaching the Saigon Notre Dame Cathedral. Yeah, and this is a walking tour. Okay, so this is the Notre Dame Cathedral, and this was built as well during the French colonial era. So just right across, the church isn't open, so we can't get in. So even though we're Catholics, we can't go inside and pray. We just pray outside, just like the others. Now, just right across the Notre Dame Cathedral, you will find one of the most famous landmarks of Ho Chi Minh or Saigon. And like I said, this was built by or designed by Gustave Eiffel, which is this is the Notre Dame. No, this is the Saigon Post Office. And it still works as a post office, by the way. You can still mail. Yeah, okay. A bit done. Alright, next stop for our walking tour is the Independence Palace or Reunification Palace or the Presidential Palace. This is actually the Presidential Palace of South Vietnam before it was conquered by the North Vietnamese Army. So, ayan, we're just waiting for 1 PM kasi sarado. Nag-lunch break yung nagtitinda ng ticket. So, it's just about 15 minutes more. So, why not wait? Alright, welcome to the Independence Palace. All right. Independence Palace, and you can see the main street leading to District 1 there. Pero interestingly, unfortunately also, mayroong sunog na nagaganap bes. So kaya pala amoy goma. Oh, so sad. Presidential Palace, and we're heading towards the private quarters of the president. This is where the president lived. One interesting fact that I learned today, yung last president ng Southern Vietnam Republic was not really elected. He was just placed in power by a coup d'etat. Alright, this is the dining room. This is the private quarters. Okay, so we are almost done dito sa Presidential Palace or Independence Palace. Just taking some photos of some old war machines. Yeah, this fighter jet, and there are tanks over there. So ayun, so my dad's just taking photos. He really likes these kinds of stuff. Yeah, and it's really fascinating also. So ayun guys, really tired and hungry, so next stop we're gonna find food. Okay, so nagutom na kami, kaya nandito kami ngayon sa Banh Mi Saigon. 20,000 dong, so less than 50 pesos. Yeah, less than $1. Iba talaga yung Banh Mi dito sa Pilipinas kumpara sa Pilipinas. Ayan na. Here at our final stop, we are at the War Remnants Museum. Entrance is 40,000 dong, roughly less than $2, less than 100 pesos, or about 100 pesos. So this museum showcases what's left behind after the war, the Vietnam War or the American War, whichever side you believe. So, but the important thing is that, or we learn what are the results when war happens. Lunch muna kami bago lumipat ng Airbnb. Ayan. So, grilled chicken and grilled pork. Gulay galore pa rin. Ang busy mag-telepono. Guys, mukhang masarap to. So, this is 50 ba to o 60? 60,000. So, mga 2 or 6. Mga 150 ang isa. So, okay lang. Marami naman. Just gonna get our bags. Okay, so we got our bags back na. And we're transferring accommodations. We're transferring to the Airbnb that we booked for this trip. It's far from this area. It's in a quieter area of Ho Chi Minh. And I've already booked a Grab, so we're just waiting for it. Welcome to our Airbnb. This is our Airbnb for our stay. Okay. So, room tour. Okay, we have the CR. Toilet, shower, sink, and mini fats. There's no kitchen in this unit, pero meron silang microwave at ironing. Okay, they have a fridge and where I can work, bed, and I think we have, oh nice. Okay, nothing much of a balcony pero that's fine. So we're at the 15th floor. So okay, those are the old housing. These are the new buildings. I guess that's it for today. I'm gonna end the vlog here and we're gonna rest. That was a long day of walking and touring. Again, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!